Hello my friends, how you doing? This is Yuda, and now we are in the third part to building this drone. We need to put the PCB board here. So what we have to do, we have to take this 3mm, about 30mm long. We should put it inside the hole we just drill, so we can plug 1 and 2 and take the 3 and 4, and I will show you how you mount it. So you have to put it like this way, okay? Then we have to take the PCB board for power. This is gonna take the battery and everything inside, so we have to put it like that. Yes, make sure this PCB is gonna be plus minus here for the power. So this is how it needs to be look if you want to build this drone. So the other stuff we have to do, we're gonna make this XT60 and this connection here. We need this one. I put everything in the description if you want to JR connection. So it needs to be in the back. This is the front, this is the back. So we're gonna put soldering on this tip, and then we can hook the ESC here and here and the motor. Okay, so let's get started. So to do that, now we know the orientation of the board. We need to put soldering on all this around, and we're gonna do it this way. We're gonna put some flux. So if you have any something to just to put it there, I use something like that, and you can quickly just put everywhere flux. It's gonna make the joint much easy and more easy for you to solder in everything. Just put a little bit solder, and for the flux we're gonna put it like that everywhere, and then we can start to soldering. So we're gonna take this iron about 450 Celsius degrees, and we're gonna put it on the board like that, and we're gonna make this nice. Look, see, easy to make because the flux is giving very nice soldering, see. And this is what you have to do for all these parts of soldering if you want to make it work for you very nice and easy. And after that we can hook the ESC. You see, it's very easy to do. Yeah, put everywhere, and then we're gonna put the power of the ESC into that. Look how the flux, it's make it nice solder, and anybody can do that. If I do it, anybody can do it. And look how fast and clean this solder. Yeah, put it nice. Yes, see, very nice. Yes, and this is what you have to do. Okay my friend, after we solder everything, it should look like that, you see. And then we can take the XT60, and this is the back, so we have to put the plus and minus, so we can make it like this, and we can put some on the joint of this XT60 a little bit new solder, so it's gonna go very fast and very easy. We're gonna take this and hold it because it's gonna be very, very hot to hold it in this place. So what we have to do here, just push it like that and leave it, and it's gonna be okay. Make sure it's the positive and this is the negative, so make sure it's not gonna touch anything, and look how it's come like that. And this is it, you can see. Then we can take this JR here and the same stuff. We're gonna cut it a little bit, not so too long, just a little bit, and then we can solder it. Okay, my friend, after we solder the wires, I'm gonna put something for make it 470 UFR 25 volt. We're gonna put it to make it for noises, so we not have any problem. So I'm gonna put it like that. Yes, and we're gonna put it here, and we're gonna solder that into that, so it's gonna be nice, and put the noise down if we have some noise, because sometimes we have noise, electric noise, so this one is very good to put, so we are not gonna have any problem. Okay, this one. And now we're gonna do the same here. Okay, make sure you're gonna do this. If you have it, it's much more good, so you don't have any problem. So this is what I normally do, and we can put a little bit solder more to make nice connection, so we're not gonna have any problem at all. Okay, yeah, like that. Yeah. שימי במקום אחר, ממי. Okay, now we're gonna test. After we solder this, it should look like that. Make sure it's the positive, negative, and make sure the negative is in negative and positive in positive. And then we can check how it's gonna fit, and it should fit very nice like that. And then we can take the top shell and check everything is fit normal, and we're not gonna have any problem issue, and it's gonna fit like that, you see. And this is how it's gonna look like. Okay, my friend, so this is what you have to do. And then we can take the brain of the NASA and we can check. It's the front is going to point this way, and it should fit inside like this. Then we have to put some holes in there to lock this into place, but not before we're gonna put the ESC here. The next stuff is gonna put the ESC here, and then it's gonna be okay. So the ESC now, I'm gonna show you what ESC we're gonna use. I use the favorite 30 ampere little B spring. This is the what I use here. Okay, so this is gonna be fit like this. So take up this and we can measure here. It's gonna go this way. יפה מאוד, ממי. כל הכבוד, יפה שלי. אלופת. We're going to take this part and going to solder this here and the positive here. And let's take this and put it like that. Just a second. With the rubber band. We need some small rubber band, so it's gonna fit like that. Yeah. Like this. Yeah. We're gonna mount it like this on the side, like that. So it's not gonna move. Okay, we're gonna cut this in place. Just a second. Just a second. מה, ממי? מה מפריע לך? זהו. Okay. So what you have to do now is take the minus here and you're gonna cut it in the same size that you want to hook this up. And then we're gonna cut here. We're gonna put some soldering in there, so twist it a little bit and then put some flux in there, so it's gonna make the joint much easier and fast for us. Now you see how I put solder in there, so when we שימי את זה בצד רגע. עכשיו שקט. Now, after we put some solder, we have to make this connection right. So we have to take it on the top here and be careful not to cut the wire. Do it very slow and it's gonna go like this. Just a second. See? Careful here. So we're gonna do it like this way. Hold it in the place few seconds and let's bubble and don't let go until you see everything is in the place. See? So this is how it should go, okay? And the same one is for the positive now. מה מאמי שלי? מה קרה? מה קטנה שלי? מה מאמי? מה את לא יכולה לסגור? תכף אני אבדוק. הנה זה סגור ככה. יאללה. אוקיי. Now we're gonna do the positive the same way. We have to measure and we're gonna cut it. So we're gonna measure and cut it. We're gonna do it this orientation. So we're gonna cut it like that and take the wire a little bit. Put some flux on the wire, so it's gonna make easy. And put some solder on the tip. שימי הכל בצד, ממי. Now like this, yes. This is how you do. Very, very good. Clean the tip of the iron a little bit. Then we can take, I use this scissor because I'm very good for me. I have a nice one, but you can go like this way, see, and we can put it like that and push a little bit, not so hard, so it's gonna melt, and leave it, and it should look like that, see. So we're gonna do this for all these 4 of the ESC, and then we're good to go. Okay. This is it for now. I hope you enjoy this, and we're gonna show you the next part, and everything is fit good. We have this, we have that, everything is the positive, negative, negative. Make sure everything is good, so you can after that put over here everything in the right place. Let's put this here over there, and we're gonna mount it. Put the screw like this, and make sure it's like that, and everything is in the right place. This is it for now. Put the top of it, the cover on this back like this. So this is ready. We good to go. מחיאות כפיים. כל הכבוד, נונה. I'm with my girl now. We make some together. נכון, נונה? אנחנו עושים ביחד? נכון? כן. She's my baby. Yeah, so we're gonna put everything like this. And then we're gonna... Okay, my friend, I make a GST connection here, because if the battery I use is 5 volt, so I make a regulator, and the transmitter is gonna be a 14 volts or 16 volts, so it's gonna plug from this way. Okay, so right now we have to do this, the top. Put the top here and make sure everything is fit, and take all this screw and put it there. So it's gonna go from here to here. Everything is in place, and we're gonna put the screw on the top, the arms, and this is how we do. And we can put everything together. רגע נונה, רגע. נילי, עכשיו אני עושה פה את זה. And now we're gonna tighten it. So we're gonna take this part and twist it. So it's gonna hold it in this place. So you're not gonna have any problem with this. And I use this. Yeah, everything is okay. We can, on the back, pushes a little bit, so it's gonna feel good. And this is the same here. Okay, just hold it and it will lock this screw in place. So we have everything in the place, in the right place, so it should look like this. Okay, so this is how you do, and you can check this is gonna fit inside this here. So here is what you have to do to put the NASA. You have to put it this direction and it's gonna be on the top. So take this 3M sticker and you can plug it here and it will fit between. You see, it's gonna fit between this and it's gonna be in the middle. So this is for the third part, and hope to see you in the next one. Okay, my friend, just to let you know that I put the 25 volt 470 UFER here in this place. So I put one of here and one of here. So I take everything out and put it and solder it. So you can do the same for noise in the video. And because this one is gonna go to the transmitter, the VTX, the video. So just do this and that's it for now. And also put a GST connector for here when you solder this one, and you're gonna put one more like this for if you have a camera 5 volt or something else that you can plug it here. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and going for the 4 video. Yes, thank you.